One of the resources available to you as a parent is the Amplify Unit 7th grade website. Now, the purpose of the site is to make available to the public all the resources we provide for students without being logged into Amplify or Google Classroom. This way you can see what's going on in class and you can support your children at home. This is the same site that lessons are linked to through Google Classroom. So when students go into Classroom to accomplish an assignment and they see a web page there that takes them to the same site that you're at, only you go in a little differently because you don't have access to Classroom. You can come straight in by topic. So in this case, let's say we were working on the plate motion unit. I would come to plate motion and it would give me the 4 chapters in plate motion. I would then choose the chapter I would want to access, and within that, each of the lessons. So let's say we were working on lesson 2.3. I would enter there and I would see the same web page that students see when they go through Classroom. Now, to open the Amplify lesson, you would need to have an Amplify account. So if you're the student, they would click there. It would redirect them through a login page and right to lesson 2.3 in Amplify. You won't have that opportunity. But you can go into the Drive folder, which is the same folder we share with them. And it has any of the resources necessary to complete that lesson, additional videos and files that might be useful. And then also there are step-by-step instructions for each of the activities in the lesson. So in this case, the lesson is divided into activity 1, 2, and 3 in Amplify. Therefore, if you were a student or wanted to support your student, you would come in prior to doing activity 1, you would click on either the activity slides or the activity video. They are the same thing, only the video is me, the teacher, narrating over the slides. So we'll just take a quick peek at what the slides look like. And students can go through this without the teacher narration. It is screen by screen, the instructions of what you would do in the activity. And one of the things to notice is underneath the slide in the notes section, there are specific actions that the student might take, or you might get dialogue of what the teacher would say in class if you were live or in person. And as you can see, if you click on the video, I won't play the whole video, but the video opens and it is a narration of that same set of slides. So you can have your choice of how you want it explained to you. The website continues through every unit, every lesson of every unit for the entire Amplify system. So hopefully that helps you in knowing what's going on and supporting your children.